happened during the past more than 2 weeks. On August 2, we experienced the entry of Tropical Depression Luis and sumunod po rito yung ating tropical cyclone Maymay, then Neneng, and recently yung papasok po ng ating Philippine Area of Responsibility si Typhoon Saudel. And all these factors, as we know, during the month of August, this is the wettest month of the year, ay na-enhance po yung ating habagat, leading to the flooding of 150 barangays all over the province of Pangasinan, involving 12 municipalities and 2 cities, one in District 1 and one in District 4. And recently, just last week, meron na rin pong flooding sa city of San Carlos. And from August 2 to today, as of last night, meron po tayong 1.167 million of our population with affectation. However, in the past 2 days also, we were monitoring Marusay River and Agno River, and consequently, it is also receding gradually. So from more than 10 plus feet in Sinukalan River and Marusay River specifically, and the Gupan City, ngayon po ay kanina sa aming monitoring ay 8.2 feet na lamang po ito. However, we are also monitoring based on our records ay medyo malakas pa rin po yung ulan sa Baguio City or in the province of Benguet. Kaya meron pa rin po tayong binabantayan dito po sa ating Central Pangasinan, and specifically dahil sa enhanced habagat, naapektuhan rin po yung ating areas along the Agno River. While wala pong open na gates yung ating San Roque Dam, ay ramdam po natin yung increment within a span of 5 days, no? From August 7 to August 12, a 33 plus meters po yung itinaas nila. So that is the kind of scenario that we faced here in the province of Pangasinan, and we are also monitoring yung pong ating rivers natin and tributaries dito po sa Kamiling River and Tarlac River. Yung Kamiling River po specifically affecting mga Tarem, and the downward stream po natin, kapag nag-overflow po yan, meron po tayong 10 to 13 barangays in mga Tarem, leading also to a flooded situation in Urbistondo, mga Tarem, Aguilar, Bugalyon, and down Lingayen. During the first week, meron pong malalakas na bugso ng ulan. However, nakayanan po ito ng 1st District. Although meron pong situation sa Bani, we were able to send also some of our search and rescue teams, as well as in Calasiao, the provincial government, through the leadership of Governor Gico, ay nagpadala po tayo ng ating augmentation, as well as in mga Tarem area, since ito po yung medyo binabantayan po natin. And just recently, last Friday, wala na po tayong nakadeploy na search and rescue personnel. And right now, we are just continuously monitoring also yung magiging epekto ng Typhoon Saudel, which forecasted by different weather agencies ay will enhance again our habagat starting Wednesday until Sunday. Ito po yung mga predictions po nila. Thank you, Mr. Chair.